So I've hit the $3,000 target in the Take Profit 50K account. It appears I have now passed the evaluation. What is to be expected next? We're going to go over that in this video. However, let's take a look at some of these metrics real quick. And I did pass this challenge in a matter of 5 days. One of the most important metrics I like to look at right here is going to be the profit factor. Came in at 5.34. Ideally, I want to see anything higher than 2.0. If it's 1.5, I'm okay with it, but ideally I aim for 2.0 or better on my profit factor. One of the next stats a lot of people like to look at is, what about your percent profitable? In this challenge, I shot 77.78% of my trades were profitable. I had 14 winning trades, only 4 losing trades. Now, here's some metrics that a lot of traders overlook, and in my personal opinion, they're very important. Look right here at the average winning trade, $265.73. Then we look at the average losing trade, $174.13, which means that on winning trades, typically I'm making more than when I lose on my losing trades. You can also see I had a maximum consecutive 11 winners in a row, and I had 3 consecutive losing trades in a row. My largest winning trade was $940. However, I did have a trade get away from me. My largest loser out there was $567.50. Now, if we come over and look at this visually on the graph, you can see you started off pretty good. It took a little bit of a dip there, and then it was a rally back up. Now, before we talk about the next step, once you pass your Take Profit Trader account, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 50% sale off all the evaluation accounts. And it's very simple. Just use code Epitome. Click right up here at the top of your screen. Then you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, it'll copy it to your clipboard and be ready for you on checkout. Now you may scroll down and say, Mike, where do I go? I cannot figure out where I need to go. Do I need to log into the back end? The answer is no, not just yet. So here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna be greeted with a first email just like this. It says, congratulations on reaching the profit target. Our program is all about finding discipline and serious traders like yourself. You are now only a few steps away from getting your pro account, becoming a certified Take Profit Trader, and being able to enjoy day 1 withdrawals. So here's what happens next. Number 1, our team will check your account to confirm that you are eligible for a pro account. These reviews are done at the beginning of each trading day. So if you're like, I passed, I'm ready to trade the Asia session, you know what? You have to wait till the next morning. That's just the way it is. Also, be aware if you pass on a Friday, they're not going to review the account until Monday morning. Then number 2, you will be prompted to make a one-time administration payment of $130 for a pro account. Number 3, we are going to receive a contract to sign, which spells out all the rules in the pro account. Now, after that email, the next morning, you're going to receive an email like this. Congratulations, your account was approved by one of our admins. To accept your pro account, please go to the pro button on your dashboard. You will be prompted to make a one-time administration payment of $130 and sign the contract if you have not signed it before. Now, after you do that, then you're going to receive one last email. We are excited to welcome you to your new pro account. It is great to have you join our community of advanced traders. To ensure that you make the most of your pro account and take full advantage of all of its features, we would like to bring one crucial rule to your attention. While all pro account rules are outlined in the pro trader contract that you have signed, this specific rule is often overlooked but plays a vital role in managing your trading account. And I like what they do, all right? A lot of prop firms, this is where we're going to do the bait switch. They're going to say, we had this in the contract. You should have read it. Shame on you. You failed. You blew up the account. Start over. But instead, Take Profit Trader shows the rule we want to bring to your attention is the intraday trailing drawdown rule. With your pro account, the drawdown will trail your unrealized profits in real time until it reaches your initial account balance. Once again, congratulations on your pro account. And notice they actually highlighted that area. Yes, a lot of traders don't like the intraday trailing drawdown rule. Yes, it seems to be a little bit more challenging, but if you trade with Apex in the past, you know it is very easy to overcome. And I also want to remind you guys, I trade with not only Take Profit Trader, but I also trade with Apex, My Funded Futures, and Tradeify. So if you trade with any of those prop firms as well, and you want a way to support the channel, use the links in the description box down below. And before you actually trade with Take Profit Trader, make sure to watch this video first.